If you're looking for how to log in to Rust Mobile, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to log into Rust Mobile using your email address, and I'll also show you the other login options available in the game. Make sure you follow the instructions carefully, and let's get started. First, launch Rust Mobile on your device. Once the game opens, wait until you reach the login screen. Here you'll see a message saying that an account will be created automatically for new emails. You can enter your email address and use the verification code to log in. You can also see other options such as Google, Facebook, or Guest. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log in using an email address. Enter your email address in the box. Now select Get Code. A verification code will be sent to the email address you entered. Open your email application and check your inbox for the verification code. Once you receive the code, come back to Rust Mobile. Enter the verification code in the required field, then select Done. Now select Login or Register. Since you're using a new email, the game may automatically create an account for you. Next, you'll see the agreement screen. Here, select your country or region. Then read the required agreements and select I confirm the following. After that, select Confirm. Wait for the game to finish logging you in. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be taken into the game. Now you can select Play and start playing Rust Mobile. And that's it. That's how you can log in or create an account in Rust Mobile using your email address.